Maximum of 14 clubs, Rule 4-4. A player must start a stipulated round with not more than 14 clubs. She is limited to those clubs selected, except that, if she started with fewer than 14 clubs, she may add any number provided her total does not exceed 14. The addition of a club or clubs must not unduly delay play, and the player must not add or borrow any clubs selected for play by any other person playing on the course. If a breach of this rule is discovered in match play, the match is adjusted by deducting 1 hole for each hole at which a breach occurred. This penalty is applied at the conclusion of the hole where the breach was discovered, and the maximum deduction per round is 2 holes. For example, if Jane discovers on the second hole that she has 15 clubs, she and Jill must complete play of the second hole and then adjust the match. In this case, Jane is 2 up after the second hole. After applying the penalty by deducting 2 holes, the match is now all square. In stroke play, the player in breach adds 2 strokes for each hole at which any breach occurred. The maximum penalty per round is 4 strokes. In this case, if Jill discovered on the 4th hole that she had 15 clubs, the adjustment would be made on holes 1 and 2. If she had a score of 4 on the first hole and a 5 on the second hole, her scorecard would be changed to a 6 and a 7 respectively. If a player is carrying an excess club, she must declare it out of play immediately upon discovery of the breach. This declaration must be made to her opponent in match play, or her marker or fellow competitor in stroke play, and the player must not use the club for the remainder of the stipulated round. If the player fails to put the extra club out of play or subsequently uses the club in the round, she will be disqualified.